Hey guys, in previous video we have discussed how to install Python software. In this video, let me discuss where to run and how to save a Python code. Before writing a code, we should check is software installed correctly or not. For that, you just go to search, type Python. You just click here. This is the workspace for writing any Python code. For checking the software installed correctly or not, you just type some example program like print hello world. If the output is correct, what we are expecting, then the software installed correctly. For saving a Python code, you just go to file, save, you just type sample name. In Python, for saving any code, we should use .py extension at the last. In the next video, let me discuss how to see an output and what are the parameters used to get a output.